2, and we were supposed to check out today. I was just calling to see if we could get a late checkout. My name is Rodrigo.
Hi everybody. Let me set you down for a second. Hi everybody, let's chat. Guys, I have a pretty view of the desert right now. I think the desert is really pretty. Look. I don't. Esther goes, I don't. It's making my workout. Yeah. I love the desert. Anyways, we were supposed to check out at 11. It's 11:16, but fret not, we got late checkout. And for the first time ever, I'm the first one ready. Like, packed everything. My suitcase and backpack are over there. My jacket, all my things. One thing I don't know where it went is my mask, which is bad, but it's somewhere, you know. It's not here, so probably my mask.
Yeah, I lost mine.
I think it's my mom's bag.
I lost mine.
Anyways, I hope you've been enjoying our little series so far, our little spring break diaries. Anyways, so yeah, I don't really have much to say. Look at my outfit. I didn't show you my outfit. I put my Converse on. I took out those sandals and I put my Converse on because my feet were freezing. Because today's adventure, we are going to the Hoover Dam. Then we're going to Phoenix, I think, and we're just exploring Phoenix, so that's the plan today. I don't even think I said good morning today, so good morning if I didn't. Welcome to day 3 today. Let's have a great day.
We don't know what, after the Hoover Dam what we're doing though.
Let's have a great day today.
Yes.
So they're ready, so let's get a move on. I'm ready. Let's go. Are you ready?
No. I said I need like 5 more minutes.
For what?
I left my stuff.
Let me go help her.
Continue on I-215 east for 8 miles.
Oh, double decker. Not in service. Oh, that's okay. Bye, Nevada!
See you in a couple of days.
That's right. See you in a couple of days. Adios. Adios. Guys, look it. We made it. No, it's okay. But in a couple steps, we crossed from Arizona, from Nevada to Arizona. Wow. Fancy. hot today. And it is hot. Outside is not hot, but here's hot. So now we are on the road to Phoenix.
Head east toward Kingman, Washington.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go.
Thank you.
Oh, it's cinematic in the way we connected, girl.
We made it to Phoenix, everybody! Woo! Yay! Woohoo! We are in Glendale. It's kind of funny. In a cute little hotel. I wish we were staying longer in this hotel because I feel like
It looks so comfortable.
yeah, it looks like it was meant for you to stay there for longer.
It was.
But like we're only staying one night, which is, I mean, it's a good because it means we're going to different things. But anyways,
Yeah. Oh, I took a video and some pictures.
of me sleeping.
Yeah.
Good to know. I'll have to look at them later. Take a wild
Turn
guess on
right
how
onto
many
West
naps-
Maryland Avenue.
On how many naps I took in this
The same number.
4 hours.
The same number as the hours.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto North 99th Avenue.
4 naps in 4 hours.
Pretty much.
Oh, look, a Top Golf place.
This is so cute. Guys, this is gonna be my future home. Look.
Hey, yo.
How cute.
Familiar, I never expected you to be right in my arms. And my favorite part, how you talk in the dark. Oh God, there's something about the sound of you stuck in my head. I'm hopelessly romanticizing all that you said. I know I see that it so deep. I still gotta let you know that I never wanted anyone more. Falling forwards onto the floor. Feels like I felt.
How do I say this? Like, hi, so we were wondering if you had those little
Conditioner
you
bottles.
had any of those conditioner, complimentary conditioner bottles. Those little conditioner bottles. Yeah. Could you bring one up to room 427?
427. Basically, we finished having dinner. We
Wait,
came
can you
back to the
ask them to
hotel.
bring it up to you, Daddy, or?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm stressing out.
Okay, well,
What's the front desk? Is it 0?
read. It didn't record the end. That is so dumb. That is so dumb. She got so excited. It didn't record the end. When you actually started talking to the guy, you were like, "Hi, can I have it on?" I think that's good tonight.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song.